Good morning, students. Today we are starting the chapter number 2, reproduction in flowering plant, which are coming from your unit 6, reproduction. Today we are starting the revised syllabus pattern, the first chapter, the chapter number 2, reproduction in flowering plant. This is the revised chapter which include in your board examination. So the delete portions will be deleted by the CBSE, and now the chapter repeated in your examination. So we will start today the reproduction in flowering plant. First is the flower. It is the flower you know very well, because last year in class 11th you studied about it, the flower and their morphological structure. So now the flower will be described by the various types of the people that are discuss the flower, about that it is uses in cultural activities, social activities and ethical activities, and the ornamental value of them. So it is a flower. All the people say about it, the flower is also used in social and ornamental values. Now for the biologist, that will be say about it, that are the embryological and morphological marvel and the site of sexual reproduction. So we will start the first part, flower, because in the chapter 2 that involve all the parts of, we will discuss about it. So first is, today we will start flower. First is the part of the flower, and the second one is the function of the flower. After this, the part of this chapter, we will study the pre-fertilization event, that are include the male gametophyte. In the male gametophyte, we learn microsporogenesis, pollen grain, stamen, anther and other. And in the female gametophyte, we study about the pistils and megasporogenesis and the ovule formation and egg formation. Okay. Now the next is pollination, we will start. Then there are the agents, which types of agents then perform the process of pollination and adaptation. Okay. Now the next, the end part of this chapter, post fertilization. The post fertilization include the endospore formation and the seed. Okay. So now till the end we conduct these three types events in this chapter. Now today we will introduce about the flower. So the flower that will be introduced about by the people that are, and the biologists say about it. Okay. Now we will start the next, the part of the flower. The part of the flower is 4 types of the flower parts. Okay. First is calyx, second one is corolla, third one is androecium and gynoecium. Calyx, it is the green part of the flower, and it is the first wall of the floral appendages, and the other colored calyx, it is called petaloid. Now it is the sterile or non-reproductive product, and only the function of this, the protection of the all floral appendages. This one, the structure of the flower, and that are the sepal or the calyx of the flower, okay, which will be linked by the pedicles and linked to the plant or a tree. Okay. Now next, the corolla. The corolla is the second wall of the floral appendages, and it is inner to the calyx, and it is colored for attract to the insects for the pollination. Now the next is, it is the sterile and help in the pollination. Now the next, individual appendages of it is called petal, that are the colorful parts of the flower which attract to each other, everyone, okay. Now the next, androecium. Androecium, it is the individual appendage, it is called stamen, that are the stamen, that are the sepal, that are the petal, and this one, it is called stamen. It is the individual appendages of the flower, and it is also called the male gametocyte, okay. Now it is the male part of the flower, and it have the capacity to fertile. Now next, the gynoecium. It is also called the carpal pistils or gynoecium. It is the female reproductive part of the flower, and it produces the egg. This one, the rises in the center part, it is called ovary, and that it is the filament like structure, it is called stigma, and it is the pollen tube like structure, it is called style. So there are stigma, style, and the ovary, okay. Now the next is, it is called stamen. Stamen, it is have anther and the filaments, okay. I see you here the structure of the androecium. It is, there are the two parts of stamen. There are the two types, two lobes on it. It is called anther, and it is the fiber or a long tube like structure, it is called filament. There are in the anther two lobes and four theca. It's a internal structure of anther. Now the gynoecium, it's the structure which have three parts. First part, it is called stigma. Second, the tube like structure, it is called style, and the last, it is the rises in the center, it is called ovary. You know about very well. So now this is the all the flower part and their functions, which will be included in the chapter number 2nd. It is the first part of your chapter 2nd. So we will start the next pre-fertilization event and the male gametophyte in the next class. Okay, thank you, children.